case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a riveting case that reached Florida's highest court, a grandmother's wish to leave her homestead property to her granddaughter stirred a legal storm of inheritance rights. The crux of the issue was whether the property could be bequeathed in a will and still retain protection from creditors under the homestead provision of Florida law. Betty Snyder passed away in 1995, leaving behind a will that provided $3,000 to her son, Milo Snyder, and $2,000 to her friends Joe and Barbara Bedrin. However, controversy sparked when she devised her homestead property to her granddaughter. Milo disputed this devise, arguing that as his mother's only living issue, the property should fall upon him under the laws of intestacy, devoid of any creditor claims. Originally, the Second District Court of Appeal sided with Milo in the case Davis v. Snyder. According to the lower court, the constitutional exemption of the homestead only applied if the property was willed to a person that would naturally inherit it under the state's intestacy laws. By this reasoning, Betty's granddaughter was not eligible to receive the homestead due to the existence of her living son, Milo. However, the Supreme Court saw things differently, emphasizing the widespread interpretation of the homestead provision that aims to foster stability and family welfare. It overturned the lower court's decision. It argued that when there are no surviving spouses or minor children, a testator can leave their homestead property to any family member included in the intestacy statute. The idea being that the homestead provision was designed to protect and preserve the family home from creditors and ensure its continued existence. In contesting the Davis Court's narrower interpretation of legislative intent, Florida's Supreme Court took a stance for the broader protection of family assets. It championed a more expansive interpretation of the homestead provision, underscoring that its ultimate goal is to protect the family home from financial misfortune and forced sale. The court confirmed that the protection extends to any devisees within the family, thus ensuring the property's preservation for future generations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.